There's a dirty little secret in the HVAC industry that no one wants you to know about, and that has to do with financing. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the bait and switch that finance companies and contractors have been pulling for years. Hi, this is Kenneth with Atlas AC, and at any point during this video, if you find it to be helpful, please hit the like button. That will really help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Okay, so quick disclaimer. I'm located in Texas, so there's a chance if you live in a different state that your state might have different rules and regulations that they follow. And if that's the case, then what we see in Texas might be different in your state. If you're getting quotes on HVAC systems, have you wondered how some HVAC contractors are able to get away with 0% interest or low interest while other contractors are charging high interest to finance a new system changeout? And how does 0% interest work even when times are good and inflation rates are as low as 3%? That means at the end of the term, they could be losing as much as a couple $1,000s, which is all the profit on this job by giving you 0% interest. And what for-profit company doesn't care about making money? Because most finance companies end up being a little greedy. And not only that, in the state of Texas, we don't allow finance companies to go repo HVAC systems. So what that means is there's no collateral for the finance company to go collect because the state of Texas won't allow for that. Because there's no collateral, every finance company considers it to be a high-risk loan. And as you know, a high-risk loan always equals high interest. So how are they getting away with low to no interest? Good question. Here's the secret that nobody wants you to know is you did pay interest and it was paid all up front. Okay, so technically you didn't pay the interest, but the contractor did, and this is how the scheme works. So if I wanted to sell a system change out for 0% interest, what I would do is go work with a finance company that offers those options. And what they do is they give me a price book. And that price book is going to show me how much I need to increase my rates across the board for replacing AC systems. And in the industry, what this is called is a dealer fee. So after the project is complete and it's time for the finance company to pay me, what they are going to do is withhold that dealer fee and use it to pay off all the interest on that loan. And shazam, you have 0% interest because all that's left is principal. And this is amazing for a finance company because they're getting all their interest up front. And if you decide to pay off the loan early, it doesn't matter. They get to keep all of their interest. There's a chance that finance companies are exploiting a loophole, so they're not technically classifying this as an interest payment. But however, the way that I look at it is one way or another, you are paying the interest. It might just be paid in a different way. So we don't offer any finance options with dealer fees included in the pricing because we are a transparent, no BS company, so it just doesn't fit our model. Now you might be asking, how do I finance a new install with as little interest as possible? So the finance company that's going to offer the lowest rates is actually going to be either your bank or a credit union. Simply put, nobody's going to beat the interest rate of a bank because they have the ability to add collateral to the loan. Now, if you don't have the time to go to a bank and go through the process of getting a loan, there's another way to speed up this process. And this is the most common way that our customers finance with us. So our customers typically go to a finance company that we have vetted. We are not partners with them. They are a complete third-party finance company. There's no dealer fees. So it's basically just you and them. Our customers would then go fill out an application where they can find that on our website. And from there, it doesn't take long to get approved. And then that same day, they should get the thumbs up on funding. The interest rates do end up being a little high. So at the time of making this video, interest rates are around 10.5%. Now, as the Fed continues to hike rates, I'm expecting that to go up because just a few months ago, we were around 7.5%. So the beautiful thing about this loan is there's no early buyout penalty fees. And what that means is if you decide to pay off the loan early, that means you're only going to pay the principal that you own. All the interest that is left still to pay, you do not pay that. So the only interest that you're going to pay is for the months that you made payments on before you bought out the loan. So what this does is it gives our customers room to go back and be able to work with a bank or a credit union to refinance this loan at a much better rate. Funny enough, buying an AC system this way is still cheaper than going the 0% route that other companies are offering. If you found this video to be helpful, you might also want to watch my next video that covers the topic of air conditioner warranties. Until next time, have a good one.